GRPN stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? How exactly am I approaching this? I'm going to cover in this very short video. Look, I've done well over 40,000 videos, you know, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. And ultimately, man, like, all I have to say is that this is one heck of an interesting position here. I'll mark down my demand zone. And ultimately, man, like, well, yeah, I've seen kind of the first break, which not really, but the only thing that I care about is this second one. This second one, if there's no breaks above 1720, then there's just no way that I'm going to look to put a buy. I'm just saying, you know, this is my 2 cents and it's not financial advice. But in the meantime, I'll just continue to keep you updated. Really not looking to force a buy whatsoever, but this could be huge. I'm just saying. Because there's 2 games in trading. There's getting inside a trade game and there's managing the trade game as well. So if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description. Get my free emails. Goodbye.